satin and summer. Buy me bags, buy me shoes, buy Dior and Jimmy Choo. Buy me money and Chanel, every color, buy me too.
I love spoiling my girl. I keep her dressed in the best designers, but now I'm starting to think that she's obsessed with the things I buy her. Baby's a shopaholic. Baby's a shopaholic. Baby's a shopaholic. Baby's a shopaholic.
My girlfriend likes to shop a lot, but she don't really like hip-hop a lot. But she really likes what hip-hop has got me, that's got her hopping from shop to shop. She listens to pop a lot, cause it's popular and it's popping off. And even though they all talk poppycock, she don't give a toss as long as she's got the song.